Hi everybody, it's Lavinia. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to show you the box that I received from the Derm Store Beauty Fix. It's July's monthly subscription box, and I have not opened it yet, so let's open it up and see what we have. Now I've ordered this, I'm going to say this is probably my fourth or fifth box. I know I haven't shown, I think, the last couple of months, but as to what I've received, but so far I've been liking what I've been getting. So let's see what we have here. So it looks like this is from Some Institute. It's a serum. I don't know if you could see it there. So it says boosting collagen, lightening discoloration. So how to use: apply several drops to face, neck, and upper chest after using transport pads. So now this is, with this box, I get a variety of different products. So looks like it's a nice little size here. Let's see if it'll come out. There we go. Okay, so it's like a clear serum. Smells kind of, I don't know how to explain it, like an acidy type of serum. So there we have it. So that's that. So it looks like they have different products depending maybe on the color of that. So MDT5 is what that's called right there. And it is 1 fluid ounce. Then this is from Murad. It says Environmental Shield Essential C Day Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 30 P with a triple A. So you could always use sunscreen here in Arizona. Not sure if the color of this orange shows up here, but it does say, again, environmental shield. So I'm sure this is probably a sample. It says to use, apply liberally to face, neck, and chest. So there's that. So this will fit nicely in my purse. So it's a step 3, moisturize and protect. So I guess out of their probably step process, that's what that one is. This is from Juice Beauty. Not sure if there we go. It says the organic solution stem cellular anti-wrinkle retinol overnight serum. So let's take a look at this. So here it goes. So it's an anti-wrinkle serum. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so there we go. So it's a white cream. So again, overnight. This one smells citrusy, like lemons. So I do like the way this one smells. So again, that's from Juice Beauty. This is from Tula Skincare, Probiotics and Superfood Protect and Plump, Firming and Hydrating Face Moisturizer. So again, can always use that here in Arizona. Okay, it is closed, so I will save that for a later time. But there's that. So this is 1/2 ounce. And this one was, let's see if it has it on here. About 1/4 ounce for that one. Okay, and then there's one last thing in here. PCA Hyaluronic Acid Overnight Mask. So this is probably also just a sample. Okay, it is closed. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave that closed for now. Well, let's go ahead and show you guys. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so it's like a clear. Let's see what it smells like. It smells good, I have to say. So it's not gritty or anything. So again, this is hyaluronic acid overnight mask. It looks like it's also 0.27 ounces, so about 1/4 ounce for that one. And I think that's about it. So these 5 products. So again, there's this PCA Skin Hyaluronic Acid Overnight Mask, about 1/4 ounce. I'm sure that's a sample. The Tula Skincare Protect and Plump Firming and Hydrating Face Moisturizer. So I'm glad I got that. I always like getting moisturizers. And this is from Murad, the Environmental Shield SPF 30 Day Moisture Broad Spectrum and Essential C. And did this have... This is 0.33 fluid ounces, so I'm sure this is also a sample. And this is probably the full size, the 1 fluid ounce. And this was the serum from Some Institute. Yep, 1 fluid ounce, probably in their step process. So I do like getting the Derm Store. Okay, and then there was this from Juice Beauty, the Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Retinol Overnight Serum. So I will be using all of these products. And as I was mentioning, I do like the Derm Store because I do get to try out different products. I also like the skincare box. I will have that coming up. That I get every 2 months, so it's bi-monthly or every 2 months. And I will show that in a different video, but I am really happy with the Derm Store and the Beauty Fix. As I mentioned, I do get to try out a variety of different things, and this one comes monthly. So I hope you like this video. If you're interested in knowing more about it, just let me know in the comment section below. Hope everyone's doing well, and see you soon. Take care. Bye.